Okay, last one. An investor deposits 1,000 in an account that earns 3.7% interest compounded every 3 months or 4 times a year. The balance in the account after n quarters is given by that. Okay, so you're not making any changes. You just have $1,000. You throw it in there and just let it grow. Okay, so this says write the first or 8 terms of the sequence. Now this is after how many quarters? Okay, so not how many years, how many quarters? Oh, okay. So I made a mistake here in a second. I'm going to fix it. All right. So da, 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 da. No, I did okay. All right. So now on this, we could do these each by hand, but I did not do that. I went over here to Desmos, and here's what I typed in. I added a table, called that n just like they did, went 1,000 parentheses 1 plus 0.037 over 4 times. But this is the number of times that it's compounding. So in a year, that would be 4. In 2 years, that would be 8. So I made a little mistake down here, but the point still will be made. I'll make the change in just a second. All right. So then I went 1 through 8. Rounding these to 2 decimal places is what you want to do to get the pennies. So that one would be 59 cents. That would be 1 cent. 52. It stays 11. That would go up to 80. That 9 would make that 79 and 80. That's going to stay 57. That would be 44 cents. Now, right here, I did the right thing. It said 15 years, which would be, if you do 15 times 4, that's 60. So 60 compoundings gives you that much money. But I didn't not do the right thing here because it said after 10 years, would you double that to get to 20 years? And you know it's not going to be true, but 10 years is actually 40 in this scenario. And then 20 years would be 20 times 4, 80. But it's not double, because if you double that, you do not get that. And the reason is, if you look at the answer choices here, all right, so I did all those. We got that by putting the 60 in. And then the final answer here is going to be, it's not linear. It's not linear growth. If it's linear growth, then it would double when your time doubles. It's not. It's interest, and it's a very small amount of interest there, so it is steadily increasing, but not in a line. It's a curve, just a slow curve.